I do all these frames.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I make frames. So,
Okay.
yeah, I start with a small table and then, use one space and another space.
And how much are they?
$10.
10 bucks? Oh, that's not bad. Okay.
Not bad, right?